Good morning students, myself Ashish Kumar. As you are going through our chapter visualizing solid shapes and we have completed that chapter. Okay, we have completed the first chapter. Now we will go through our next chapter, which is rational numbers. The chapter is rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be expressed in the form of a upon b, which can be expressed in the form of a upon b where b cannot equal to 0. अगर b 0 के बराबर हो जाएगा तो टोटल वैल्यूज हो जाएगी वो इनफाइनाइट हो जाएगी, सो दैट वुड नॉट बी पॉसिबल. ओके, सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस एक्सरसाइज आई एम जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू दैट. व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज दैट ये साइंस याद रखिएगा कि माइनस माइनस एक साथ अगर दो जगह तो प्लस देंगे, प्लस माइनस देंगे माइनस, माइनस प्लस देंगे माइनस एंड प्लस प्लस विल गिव आउट प्लस. Okay, just revise that signs plus minus subtraction and division signs. That is minus minus gives out plus, plus minus gives out minus, minus plus gives out minus, and plus gives out plus. Now I am starting with our exercise, that is exercise 9.1. Now I am starting with an exercise 9.1. What does it say? Exercise 9.1. First question you can do it yourself, second also, third also, fourth also. Fourth is express the following integers as rational numbers. Means we have to just take upon 1 because rational numbers are those numbers which are in the form of a upon b. So we have given a, that is 7, 7 upon 1, to minus 23 upon 1, c is 25 upon 1, so minus 72 upon 1, e 0 upon 1. Fifth and sixth, fill in the blanks and true false, you can do it yourself. Now express minus 24 upon 36. See question number 7. Minus 24 upon minus 36. How we have to express it? We have to express it in standard form. We have to just simplify it. Minus minus will cancel out. So 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 3 2 is 6, and 6 is 3 3 is 9. We get 2 upon 3. This is in standard form. This is in standard form. Okay, this is in standard form. Now we have to express minus 24 upon minus 36 as denominator 27. As denominator 27. So what we will take? We will take denominator as 27. We have to is equals to marks. We take x as numerator because we have to find the denominator and denominator as 27. Minus minus will be cut out. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 8 is 16, 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 6, 327. We get x is equals to 18. We get x is equals to 18. That is new fraction will be numerator will be 18 and denominator we have given how much? 27. So that will be 27. Okay, like this you can do it. Students, clear? Okay, now next question. Numerator as minus 8. Denominator as minus 8. तो हम लोग को minus 24 upon minus 36 को denominator as in minus 8 है. So numerator as in minus 8 we have to take it and get denominator x because we have to find the value of x. After finding the value of x, we have given the denominator minus 8. We take minus 8 upon and the value of x. Okay. Minus minus is cancelled out. We have to solve it. It will come 12 to 24, 12 to 36, and we will get 2x is equals to minus 24. X is equals to minus 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We get x is equals to minus 12. Now therefore, numerator we have given how much? Minus 8 and denominator has come minus 12. So it will be minus 8 upon minus 12. So अब express minus 24 upon this can be expressed as minus 8 upon minus 12. Okay, clear? Okay, clear. Now question number 8, you can do it yourself the same way. Build 4 equivalent rational numbers. It's open-ended. Question number 9, you have to do it yourself. Replace. It's very easy. We have to replace it. 10th question number 8. What does it say? For example, we have given 4 upon 11 is equals to, here it is box it has given and given 55. In box let there is an x. Suppose the value will be x. Now cut 11 the 11, 11 5 the 55. We get x is equals to 20. So in box we will take 20 upon 25. Okay, like this we have to do the next question, question number 10. Now next question, 11 do it yourself. 12 find the value of x. 12, we have to find out the value of x. Suppose minus 1 by 5 is equals to 8 upon x. Okay, we have found the value of x, just cross multiply it, minus x into 1 minus x, 8 5 is 40, minus sign will become here, x is equals to minus 40. We will get x is equals to minus 40. Like this we have to solve the questions. Question number 13, what does it say? Express the following in standard form. Standard form we have to just simplify it, just simplify it. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 8 is 16. We have just simplified it and we have got minus 5 upon 8. Okay, like this you can solve the question. This is standard form. Now question number 14. Check if the following rational numbers are equivalent or not. Minus 5 upon 12, comma, minus 7 upon 18. We have to check it whether they are equivalent or not. So just do what we have to do. Just do it equally. And we can see that LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, they are not equivalent. Simple as question number 15. We have taken number, I am taking question number 15. I am taking question number 15. What does it say? Question number 15 is it's open-ended. We are going to have to do it. Now I am telling you the next question, that is 14th B. That is 14th B. What does it say? 14th B. What does it say? Minus 8 upon 14. We have to check whether the numbers are equivalent or not. 20 upon minus 35. Just solve it. Just solve it. Maybe we will get the same thing. Minus here or here, same thing. So we can just cut with the minus signs. 2 1s are 2, 2 0, 2 1s are 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. Okay, it will be, I think it will not be cut. 8 upon 14 is here, it is 8 upon 14. It will be cut. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 40. That is 4 upon 7 is equals to 4 upon 7. LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, that number is equivalent. Okay, so see it, I have just completed the questions. Okay students, in this way you have to complete all the questions, and today I will give the PDF and the web content video, all the things you can see there and easily do the questions. Okay, till then complete your work. We will continue with our next video with our next exercise, that is exercise 9.2. Till then complete this exercise, and if any problem related to the questions then you can ask me. Thank you students.